Hello everybody, what is going on? It is Slayer Investor here, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys my next hot stock of the week. This will be the second episode of this series, and so the first thing I'm going to do to start this is to go ahead and look at last week's pick and see how it performed in the week since I posted the video. And as you guys can see, it closed at about $1.97 from on Friday. It is now early Monday pre-market, so it closed at about the same price that it was at when I first released the video, so not really any change since then. But today is their earnings report, guys, and it was kind of up in the air when that would be, but I think today is actually going to be the official day. So we should see hopefully either a nice pop or it's going to go down a bit, but we'll see. If it goes down a bit into maybe the dollar, like sub $1.90, maybe even sub $1.80, I'll probably buy some more shares, but we'll have to see what happens. Or this thing's going to pop up to maybe 250 or so. We'll have to see. So hopefully that earnings report means good things for the stock today. We'll just have to see. And of course it's up a little bit in the pre-market, up about 9 cents. So that's always good to see. But we'll have to see what that earnings report says today, guys. So not too bad for my first pick, but I guess it'll really pan out, I guess, after the end of today, so we'll have to see how that plays out. Anyways, guys, so now I'm going to get into my next pick for the week, and that pick is going to be Draftkings, of course. Currently trading at about $60.91, had a nice little 4.5% gain on Friday, and in the pre-market today it's a little bit down. I don't think it doesn't have it on here for some reason, but I think it's a bit down today. Yeah, right up here, $59. So yeah, guys, a little bit down today, which might be a good buying opportunity, sub $60. And so Draftkings earnings report is this Friday, and so hopefully again we know that the gambling industry is growing, and it's becoming legalized in a lot more states, and we know that the online gambling industry is a huge industry now. And if we look at a little bit more at the actual financials, and so as we can see here, it only has a market cap of $47.8 billion, but we obviously know that the gambling industry is much larger than that. So this company still has a lot of room to grow, which is another thing I like about it. And this is just a play on the fact that the gambling industry is going to grow, right? We just saw Michigan recently legalize gambling, and so as these states become more legalized and lax on their rules, this stock should keep going up as more people as more people get into gambling. This is going to allow them to bring in more and more customers and more revenue. So this stock should be doing really good in the future, guys. And then of course you can expand internationally, hopefully, as well. And Draftkings was kind of one of the first OGs with the whole online gambling scene. And if they can branch out and do, all the sports, baseball, basketball, there's a lot of sports, and then they can even do other things, and you can almost gamble on anything. So there is really limitless opportunities in the field, and you just have to hope that Draftkings, as the company, can show you that they are a serious contender in that, and I think they have, right? They've made the necessary moves, and they've obviously grown at, huge, right? If we look at, let's see here, if we can look at the 1-year chart, right? This is really nice, consistent growth, right? This is just a nice straight line. There was this little pop here in October, and then a subsequent crash over the next month, but since then, once again, it's going up. So if we can see some more of this consistent growth here at the end of the year, we could easily see this being close to $100. We'll have to see. If we look at the 3-year here, so it was listed, this actually, Draftkings went public through a SPAC, I believe, and so yeah, it was trading at about $10 a share here until it eventually spiked up there. So yeah, obviously we like to see that, right? We like to see the consistent, nice little gradual growth here, which shows that they hopefully should be a good company, right? And so I think this is really going to be a safe bet in the future. We'll have to see what it does this week and how the earnings report goes, and see if this thing can maybe test $65, $70, test some new all-time highs, which is very close to now. And we see it's actually up a little bit in the pre-market, up 9 cents, so that's always good to see as well, guys. And so later today I'm going to be releasing my second portfolio update, along with looking at CCIV and what they're doing today. But I just wanted to give you guys this one for Monday, the week of February 22nd, this stock of the week. So you guys, I'm picking Draftkings for my stock of the week. Make sure to add this one to your watch list, and let me know what positions you guys are taking, if you guys think this is buy or sell. So I really like the stock. I like the future, how it looks. So yeah guys, that's going to be it for today. Make sure to go ahead and like and subscribe to the video. Make sure to go ahead and follow the Twitter to stay up to date on what moves I'm making. And I will see you guys in the next one.